Subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see the latest videos on my channel. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today this video is based on BB versus CC creams. So if you and your skin complexion needs a little boost, try out the BB and CC creams. But before trying them out, you must know what are these. BB is beauty balm, or you can call it as a blemish balm also, whereas CC is the color correction or complexion care. BB creams are like lighter foundations with few skincare benefits. They can be worn alone on daily basis and they offer light and natural finish to the face, whereas CC creams, they offer more coverage than BB creams and are having anti-aging benefits. They are mostly used for skin issues like redness or spots. They give an appearance of even-toned skin. BB creams is a light pigment cream that gives the skin an overall healthy glow. These are supposed to be a makeup base plus sunscreens plus concealer plus foundation also. Some give heavy coverage while some give light coverage. Whereas CC creams, it is applied as a primer beneath foundation to even out the skin tone and is an effective as a base. CC creams are known to have many essential ingredients like vitamin C, ascorbic acid that benefits the skin and fades dark spots and hyperpigmentation. BB creams are used to moisturize, tone the skin and correct imperfections. A BB cream is a multi-purpose cream that corrects uneven skin tone, minimizes oiliness, reduces wrinkles and inflammation. It has whitening properties and covers minor irregularities and offers UV protection. BB creams are available for all skin types such as oily, dry, etc. A small pinch of BB cream is enough to provide full coverage. CC creams are lighter than BB creams and have more of a fluffy texture. So this is all for today. See you in the next one. Till the time, stay connected and subscribe my channel for more. Also do not forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video. Bye.